Hey family, let me ask you a question. If you had a goat, would you just keep it in your room to look pretty? No. You'd expect it to give birth to kids, right? So why are we treating our money any differently? A lot of us are scared of the stock market. We see numbers like GSE Composite Index at 8,282.26, and our eyes just glaze over. I get it. But what if I told you that understanding this is one of the most powerful things you can do for your future? Today, we're breaking down the Ghana Stock Market Report for November 5th, 2025. I promise, by the end of this, you'll not only understand it, you'll be excited by it. Let's go. Welcome to the Investment Nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. First, how was the market feeling overall? The report says trading was largely quiet. The main market indicator, the GSE Composite Index, think of it like the class average for all the big stocks, went down just a tiny bit by 0.02%. But here's the kicker. Since January 1st, it's up 69.42%. Even on a slow day, the market is still way up for the year. That's a good vibe. Now, let's talk about the players. In every market, there are gainers and losers. The superstar of the day was a company called Clydestone Ghana. Their share price went up by 9.09% in just one day. And get this, if you had invested in them at the start of the year, your money would have grown by an insane 1,100%. Yes, you heard that right. On the other hand, Cal Bank had a bit of a rough day, down 4.76%. This is normal. Stocks don't go up every single day. The key is to look at the long-term trend. Okay, let's pause and demystify some of these fancy terms. YTD, year to date, simply means from the beginning of this year until now. It's the best way to see a stock's real performance. Market index, e.g., GSE Composite Index. This is like a report card for a group of stocks. Instead of checking every single company, you check the index to see if the overall market is doing well or not. Market turnover, this is the total amount of money that was traded that day. The big player was MTN Ghana, accounting for over 90% of the cash moving around. That shows it's a very popular stock. So what vital info from this report should you store in your brain? The mood is good. Despite a quiet day, the market is up massively for the year, plus 69.42%. This is generally a sign of a healthy, growing market. Inflation is key. The report mentions inflation is at 8.0%. Why does this matter? If your money in a savings account is growing at 5% per year, but inflation is 8%, you are actually losing purchasing power. Investing in assets like stocks is a way to try and beat inflation. Diversity is everything. The report lists companies from banking, mining, breweries, and even telecommunications. You don't have to put all your eggs in one basket. You can spread your investments across different sectors. Look, the goal today isn't for you to run out and buy CLID stock. The goal is to change your mindset. The stock market isn't a secret club for old men in suits. It's a place where you, yes you, can own a piece of the biggest companies in Ghana and grow your wealth alongside them. Start by following these reports. Watch the trends, see which companies keep showing up as top performers. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. The stock market carries risks and you can lose money. Please, always do your own deep research or speak to a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. So now I want to hear from you. This is our community. My question for you is, what's one company in the Ghana Stock Exchange you use or see every day that you'd now be curious to learn more about? Is it MTN, GOIL, Fan Milk? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, share it with a friend who needs to see it, and follow for more content that breaks down finance. Let's get this money the smart way.